Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. We're in this nice open area and we're going to flight now. So you can see the ice cream van just pulled up in the park where I'm flying in. I'm going to get a shot of that as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's take off. I'm using my lav mic as well, like I usually do. Let's go up high in the sky. So it's a little bit windy now, and this is a good test to test the mic, how it performs in the wind. So yeah, I'm going to go to full height. I haven't even started recording yet. I usually start recording in the beginning and I thought I was recording, but maybe I stopped recording. I think I did a short clip and I stopped recording without realizing. But we're going to go to the full height and I'll show you where I'm flying from. It's really flat field. Stop recording now, can do a panoramic photo. Alright, so we've done the 360 photo. We're now just going to zip around now. So I'm just going to start recording. We're going to go, let's explore this way. As you can see, there's a ice cream van down here. We're going to orbit that. We're going to get an orbit shot of it. Really nice shot. And let's explore down here. There's a lake over here as well. We're going to explore that. Then we're going to explore the road right near us. As you can see, there's a road right there. We're going to go towards that area. This is the area that I'm flying in a place called Valence Park. We're gonna just follow the road nearby. A little bit of wind, so I'm just gonna go this way. Let's completely go this way then, so you get full speed. So you can see the area that we're flying to. This is what it looks like below. So there's a junction over here, there's a road, as you can see. Follow that car, van. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is gonna explore this area down here. What else is there? There's a building over here, and I can actually see that building, so I'm gonna orbit that as well. And I can go quite low down here. I'm gonna go around it. Really, really nice shot. We're gonna get a sideways shot as well. Let's get a sideways shot of the park as well. I'm gonna go this way. It's better to get low down shots as well. So there's this part of the park as well. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna go a little bit lower, and we can get a nice shot of the area. Really nice shot. And we've got these gardens over here. I'm gonna show you. Let's go back to the park first. Gonna get a nice shot of the area. We're gonna go down here as well. We're gonna explore this area. Alright, what else? Let's go this way as well. Let's explore this way. Let's get a nice shot. Looks like they're coming into the park. You can get a nice shot of it. Going this way. Oh, there's a nice garden over here. I'm going to show you right now. So look at that. Look at those. Look at this little neighborhood. Really nice area. I want to get a nice shot of this as well. I want to go up and get a nice shot of it. So I'm going to orbit around it. I'm going to go a little bit far because that's the only way I can get a nice shot of it. So the way the neighborhood goes around is actually amazing. Now we're gonna go around. We're gonna do a full circle around this. It's moving around slowly because of the wind. We can get a nice shot. It's going to be faster now because we're moving away from the wind. So I just want to get a 3D shot of this area. It looks really good, this neighborhood. Can you see the area in the middle? It takes long to orbit because the wind. I think it would take long anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna just come back now. Or should we just completely? Wait, I put the drone in FPV mode by mistake. Let me take it out of FPV mode. I don't know how I did that. Let's put it back in follow mode. Alright. I don't know how I did that. So I've pressed the shortcut. I've made a shortcut for FPV mode and I don't know how to enable it, but somehow I enabled it without realizing. And I had to disable it manually. So I'm gonna check what's up with that. I'm gonna check that out in a second. And I think maybe it might be the wind, I'm not sure. But let's find out. I'm gonna check the shortcuts now. Shortcut FN, recenter gimbal. Oh, okay. So yeah, I've put it back in FPV mode. So if I do this now it's in FPV mode. I want it in normal mode. So I just want to explore this area now. which I've already been, but I'm gonna go this side instead. So it's really good day to fly as well. Alright, let's start heading back now. Just gonna go this way. I want to go a little bit lower as well to get a nice shot. It's really good to get a shot of. So you can hear the ice cream van as well. Let's orbit something else now. We've got a little bit of lower battery now, so I'm gonna come back towards this area. Or should we let's explore this area down here as well. This is the main road down here, as you can see. So it goes all the way down there. And I'm gonna come towards the park area. There's a bus going down there as well. Let's follow the bus. The bus is parked at the bus stop. Just gonna get a nice shot like this. And we're gonna go this way as well. Really nice shot. Alright, let's start heading back now to the park. I'm gonna get a nice shot like this. I'm gonna go sideways, get a sideways shot of the area. The battery's a little bit low. We're just going to get low down shots now. I was going to get shots of. Let's explore this area down here. We're just going to stay local now. I want to know where that ice cream van's at, but it's probably a bit far now. What else can we get shots of? I have no idea what we can get shots of, so I'm just gonna land the drone now. So yeah, I'm standing right there, as you can see. I want to get FPV shots as well. Let's try and get FPV shots. Oh, I did it too low. All right, I'm just gonna stop now. I'm just gonna land the drone, because then there's gonna be beeping sounds, and that's gonna sound horrible for my videos. So I'm just gonna land it. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and yeah, I'll speak to you in the next one.